last week I have titled all of my pages, uploaded some minor work that I've done at the time, and shortly briefed upon my prototype. What I have done this week is I have gone ahead and uploaded some minor prototype evaluations I had made while making the demo. After that, I simply evaluated my entire demo, going on about people's thoughts and my thoughts on what I can improve and what was good with the demo, and going on from there. For now, I have also gone ahead and filled in most of my research section. There are minor things that I'll need to do, which I can do on Wednesday or Tuesday. It depends on when the next recording is. But as it is, I used Coglit to create a brainstorming mind map to showcase my ideas for, of course, game engine, the art style, mentioning some of the main 2D sprites that I'll be needing to do. Go ahead and mention things like my target audience and why it's like that, location of what my first level is going to be, mechanics that are important, and then mentioning extra things like the characters' details. After that, I went ahead and started working on my Trello page. As already seen by this image, I have started uh, mentioning things like the player and site work that has been doing. I will be updating this to showcase that I have done my Trello and other things in the link below. But as it is in this photo, it's just going to be staying like this. I have gone ahead and mentioned things like my risk assessment plan. Most of this seems to be just the same as it's always been throughout the projects. Um, just mentioning, of course, some failures, scripts, or corrupting files. Nothing too bad. And yep, I don't know what I had. And just mentioned my one-page design of my game, going on about the concept, the information on target audience and what platform. Mentions stuff like the story, my planning for this project, and I also go ahead and mention the unique selling points of my game. Um, what I've been also doing recently is mentioning the semiotics of the game, where I've gone about mentioning the iconic question mark block of the Super Mario games and how such a simple design has caused such an easy recognition that anyone will be curious to know what the question mark block has in games. And then I mentioned things like in Mega Man with the health bar, mainly going on about the UI of the game and how minimalistic it is. Uh, they tend to use this just such a simple health bar design, and it's easily understandable. And then in older games, the air boss would have like a red health bar on the left side, and how more modern day Mega Man games move it towards the right side with a yellow design, but they use a icon underneath these bars now to signify what is what, which makes it a lot more easier for players to understand what bars do what. With this information, I will try and keep my games staying simplistic in its design, but I will also still try to have a bit more advanced um, designs on my art style. I gone ahead and mentioned things like color theory and how it's important. I will probably update it mentioning why I will be using color theory in my game and what type of color theory. Of course, mentioning my mood boards about what sort of designs and characters are similar to what I'm having, and of course, nothing to update with the questionnaire so far. And I'll be doing things like the similar games will be done on Wednesday. I'll probably do an update video on that. And other than that, nothing else has changed. So far with the project itself, I haven't done many practical work for now, but I hope to on Wednesday update on more practical work of pixel art or animations.